Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2020 Volkswagen Passat SE. This features a 2.0 turbo engine. It's platinum gray metallic on the exterior with Titan black leatherette on the inside. It features the new LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. Much more aggressive grille on the front and some bold line creases up the hood. And some faux air intakes on the base. This is a refresh from the 2019 model. It does have 17-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry on the front two doors, chrome window sills, or chrome surrounds around the windows, chrome exhaust tips. They're fake, but there's dual chrome exhaust tips down there. And then also Passat name badge right below the Volkswagen logo on the trunk, with a molded spoiler into that trunk lid there. Let's take a look on the inside. Here's a look at your leatherette seat. It's a black leatherette seat right here with your lumbar support forward and back and seat back, and then your headrest adjust right here. As we climb in here, power door locks, power windows, window locks, remote trunk release right there. Automatic headlights, which are going to be standard. Then you have a coin box down here. The automatic headlights are even going to be standard on the S. Nice linear vent setup right here. Goes across the dash. Nice flat dash as well. There's a vent here, a vent over there, a vent here, and this vent over here, of course. And it's a flat silver finish across the dash, just like that. A flat bottom leather wrap steering wheel with the piano black treatment on the spokes here. The old Volkswagen logo still in the middle. I believe the 2021 will have the new upgraded logo. Instrument cluster is going to be just like the new Jetta. Red accents at the back of the tachometer and also the speedometer there. And a customizable LCD screen in the middle right there. You do have an MIB2 radio. This does have AM, FM, and satellite. There is no CD player. The CD player is now deleted. There's the hidden shelf for your manuals up top there. The invisible manual that everyone swears was missing out of their Passat. It's stored on that shelf up there. Also, you have a tire set reset button right there. Finish-wise on the car, lots of piano black, flat silver finish on the plastic there. The radio is an App Connect radio, so it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or MirrorLink, and you use this USB right here to connect to do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. 12-volt charger port is right here, and then you have the push button start, piano black finish around the shifter here with a leather boot on that. The keyless entry key fob is still going to have the switchblade key fob right here, where you switch just like that. Now, Passat is the only car now that has that key fob. The remote start portion of it is right here, and it still has that remote start, that first gen remote start for Volkswagen, where it's a start or kill when you open the door, so the car's going to shut off, and then you'll have to restart it. As for the backup camera on this car, it's a static camera. It doesn't have trajectory steering, but you do have the green line to signify where you're going straight back. The red line signifies where your bumper is. Then you do have an SD card reader right here. It's hard to see, but it's right there. And that's it. No CD player for this guy. Dual climate zone up here. And then you do also have the regular e-brake here with your cup holder here. A sliding armrest right here with storage underneath. This armrest does slide forward and back. There's proof right there. And there's a look at the door. There's some protective plastic still on the door handle there. Leatherette seats that are also heated. Seat belt adjust right there. There's also a vanity mirror up here with a light. On each side, it's an incandescent bulb. And there you go. And the red lights here shine down to light up the center console when you're driving at night. This one has the edgeless mirror, the HomeLink mirror. It's auto dimming and edgeless with the 3-door garage door memory at the bottom with the compass there. This mirror is really, really popular. Sunglass holder for storage right there. Now this one here, you may notice, does not have a sunroof. There is a sunroof package that you'll need to get. to get a sunroof in the SE. Otherwise, they don't come with it. The way this one's laid out, it's $27,325. The extras are going to include $325 for the auto dimming mat, $235 for monster mats. As we look back here in the back, lots and lots of leg room. Lots. About 6 inches of leg room right here behind the seat I was just sitting in. You do have rear vents as well, so unlike the Jetta, you have vents for your rear passengers here. The Jetta has them under the seats. Here, they're here, and then also there are vents under the seats allegedly. So I haven't checked that out yet, but also there's 2 USBs right here. Magazine pocket there, and also here. Here's a look at the seats. Car seat hookups right here, and also right here. Outboard seats, they're labeled with these little buttons here. The armrest folds down, and there is a cup holder. This is how you know it's a new car, guys. Plastic still on there. Armrest with a cup holder right there. Adjustable headrest in the middle, right there, and then also right here. Super nice layout of this car. If you're 6'6", 6'7", take a look at this car, because there's a lot of cars that you don't fit in, that don't work for you. Try this one out. This is a true, this car is one of the only cars where a tall driver can sit in that driver's seat there and not steal leg room from the people in the back seat behind them, rendering this seat useless. I'm 6'1" and I can still sit here. Plenty of room. So let's take a look at the trunk. There's a look at your alloy wheels. Passat name badge right here. And here's a look through. There's seat pulls right here and also right here to pull the seats flat. Monster mats, cargo blocks, cargo containment system right here. And there's your spare tire underneath. Now this one does have a lane assist, adaptive cruise control, whoops, blind spot monitoring, and rear traffic alert, all standard on this car. The lane assist is an upgrade. There's several upgrades actually. The lane assist, the adaptive cruise control are all standard now, along with remote start on an SE. So only the S does not come with remote start. This car comes with a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. That's 4 years, 50,000 miles, and 2 years of free maintenance included in that. So your 10 and 20,000 mile oil changes are covered by the dealership, or sorry, by Volkswagen. And if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's here in St. Louis, we're going to give you a 3rd year free maintenance as well, free of charge. So your 10, 20, and 30,000 mile oil changes are all going to be free. Also, your CarNet services are going to be free for 5 years. You have Wi-Fi and other capabilities with the car. However, with Passat, it was a late rollout, so your model may not have those active when you buy it. They will retrofit it for free, but that's coming at a later date. So if you're interested in this car, you can give me a call at 636-290-4257. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's here in St. Louis, you're going to get a 10-year, 200,000 mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. 10 years, 200,000 miles nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. Fly in and drive out. So if you're interested in this car, give me a call. I'm also on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great evening. Stay safe. Stay healthy.